come from Aldi.
Yes.
Well, that's the last of that size one there.
Gary's Nicky Wet patches didn't work. We'll put a bit of white powder on this one. John thinks it'll work. It works for him when he's going up the hills. Watch out for the thorns, lads. In my side. Should we try it again? Or should we give it another dicky minute? Yeah. You stop fingering it, Gary. He's got big fingers for a man, hasn't he? Got all the gear on, Johnny. Hey! I think it's time to buy a new bike. You know when you get the sign?
Solid rubber tyres you want?
Yeah. Can you get them?
No.
Oh.
Let's not make them now. Fuck all your wheels up.
I tried filling them with grass when I was a kid. You got me home. Yeah, they just cut the grass like this, fresh cut grass. Put it in, I think it was on a grifter. There ain't a thorn in there, is there, John?
No, check.
Do you reckon it might have been like the rim?
Could be because the tape wasn't on there.
The rim tape.
Could be, couldn't it? Ah, well.
So if it does,
We'll get another tube.
it would have been Gary's fault anyway, because he put the tyres on.
My
He
fault.
disturbed all the rim tape.
Pump up the jam, pump it up. Hey!
What pressure's that?
Okay, Gary, go down on me. It's a very relaxing feeling holding this rubber. Oh, stick it in. All the way. That's it. Have you got it in all the way?
Yeah.
Right up.
I couldn't feel the thing.
Catch you, it fucking.
Why? Why?
See, like if you go watch them pinch the fucking tube on the rim.
Yeah. Be careful with it, Johnny.
That's why he's fucking giving it to me.
Very big Johnny for the
No, look,
engineer.
I haven't got a problem, mate. You know, if things go wrong, things go, you know what I mean? I once was an astronaut. Shit happens. You don't hear me complaining. He's putting grass in my tire now.
Added weight.
Added weight, yeah. Do we need to let any more air at the tube? Do you want me to hold it? Do you want me to be quiet?
Yeah.
I've got clean hands.
It's impossible.
Well, it is. I never used to be this mouthy.
Let's just get it started off, innit?
Nah, don't worry about it. Show it, boss, mate. Go on, show it. Go on, go on. Show it. Ooh, the old tubey. These are quite sharp edges, aren't they?
Mm.
Looks like you could easily do it again. You got any more patches?
Not that small.
No? Oh, John, you've got a strong grip there, John. Very strong, very masculine. He's only bloody gone and done it, Gary. You're the man, John. Would you like me to put my pump on your valve? Here we go. Oh, yes. Oh. I can't do this left-handed for some reason. The wife can do left-handed, I can't. Is it going up? Oh, yeah. Oh. Why you feel it? Can you feel it, Johnny?
Yeah.
I get out of breath whether I'm on the bike or not, you know. Ooh, fucking hell, Johnny, you moved. Oh, you little bitch, Johnny. Oh, fucking hell. I nearly broke my pump, mate. That's not enough.
How many's in it?
What knows?
Showing 40.
Put it down flat, and that bit sits on the floor, and then you pump it downwards.
Oh, now he tells me.
I was doing it to stop that from sticking out.
Yeah, we'll stick it on a stone or something, like that.
Like that.
Yeah, and pump it downwards.
Oh. 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 It's very hard, that position.
Is that easier?
Oh.
You blow the tyre up there.
You're gonna take it. That's enough, man. Fucking hell. It's only 60.
What's it supposed to be on these?
115.
Oh, 115? You're having a giraffe.
Well, 60 will be enough anyway to get to the
Hang
car.
on. Come on, you little bastard! Whoa! We're there! We did it! Oh!
Steady down there.
Fucking valves fell out, it's fucking come down now. Oh. Well, that's the fastest anybody's ever gone down on me. Where did the valve go?
What, it actually fell out?
Yeah.
It's still in your fucking pump.
No, it ain't.
Fuck me, over and out.